Hi, today we're going to talk about multiplication. Multiplication is what we call rapid addition. Once you've learned how to add and you know how to carry, well, and then you've done your subtraction and you've learned how to borrow or do exchanges, it gets kind of boring. So we teach you multiplication because that's exciting. And the reason it's so exciting is that it's a shortcut. It is being able to do addition quickly by learning a trick or two. Seems impressive. Let me show you the easiest one. How many fingers or digits do I have? I have 10. Okay? There are 5 on this hand and there's 5 on this hand. And I can prove that by counting them individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10. And I counted those straight. But I know I've got 5 on each. So I can skip count it. 5, 10. So I don't have to do that, anything more than that. Well, I know I have 2 groups of 5. That's what my hands are. One hand is a group of 5, the other is a group of 5. Together, they're 10. It works like that with money too. A nickel is worth 5 pennies. If I have 2 nickels, then I have the equivalent of 10 pennies. Now that's what multiplication is. It's looking for how many groups do you have and how many do you have in each group. If you had a group of students in your classroom when it comes back and your teacher put you into groups of 3 and there were enough students to make 4 groups and each group had 3, well, how many students would there be? Well, we can count that. 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 times 4 are 3 students and 4 groups of 3 students equals 12. Now that's all multiplication is. Now there's a couple of worksheets that are in the Schoology piece for you to practice with, and they use colored squares to show groups. But you can make groups out of anything. Dogs, cats, grapes, jelly beans. I particularly like to use jelly bellies because I can put the red ones in one group and the green ones in one group and the yellow ones in one group, and I can see how many I've got because I can add the groups together. Well, if the groups all have the same number in them, well, then I can multiply. Sounds like fun. You gotta get some jelly beans and try it. And if you can't get jelly beans, get a handful of gravel, break it into pieces, into groups. Or if you're really lucky, maybe some Cheetos, potato chips, chocolate chips. Depends on what you got in your cabinet. You give it a try. Let me know how it goes. Bye bye.